guys, welcome back. Today we're making a really cool looking almond log cake. This looks really delicious and really fun to make, so let's get baking. We're gonna start by grinding up a half a cup of toasted almonds. Next, we'll mix together 3/4 cups of sifted cake flour with half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now, in a new bowl, we're going to whip 5 egg whites. We're going to add an 1/8 teaspoon of salt and cream of tartar. We're going to whip these into stiff peaks. Now, in a new bowl, we're going to whip together 5 egg yolks, and we're going to whip them until they are light and thick, and then we'll add in 1 cup of sugar, a little bit at a time. As we continue whipping this, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once the mixture is pale and thick, we're going to fold in the ground almonds. Now we will add in our flour a little bit at a time and fold it in. Next, we're going to fold in 1/4 of the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture just to get it lighter and easier to fold, and then we're going to add in the rest of the egg whites and mix it in. Next, we're going to line a sheet pan with parchment paper and generously spray it down with cooking spray. And then we're going to evenly pour out our batter and spread it evenly across the sheet pan. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And while we're waiting, we'll lay out a dish towel and dust with confectionery sugar. As soon as it comes out of the oven, you're going to flip it onto your dish towel. Now you're going to roll up your cake with your dish towel, and you'll have to be a little careful because it's going to be hot, but roll it up as tightly as you can so that it'll hold this form when you need to unroll it. Now we're going to whip up 1 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to whip this into soft peaks, and you'll be able to tell soft from stiff the same way we tell from egg whites. Now we're going to crumble up an 8-ounce can of almond paste, add in 1/4 cup of whipping cream, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to beat this until smooth. Now we're going to fold in 1/4 of the whipped cream into the almond paste mixture to get it a little smoother and easier to mix. And then we're going to continue adding in cream bit by bit until it's fully incorporated. Now you'll carefully unroll the log and spread the cream filling over it. Now you'll roll it back up, and we will ice the outside with the leftover cream that we have. We're not using all of it in the filling. And then you'll top it with roasted almond slices. So here's the final product. It's a really nice looking roll. It's very almondy and pale. It's like the polar opposite of a Yule log. So I'm really excited. Let's try a bite of this. It's really fluffy, it's really light, very almondy, but not like overwhelming. It's just really good. I think this is delicious. It's so creamy, and like I said, it's really light, and it just works so well together. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year! Fade, marker, and action. No, don't do it. Why is it doing this? No. What have I done to deserve this?
Go.
I'm always scared.
Ah yes, just getting my daily dose of drugs before bed.
Alright, I'm done.